Understanding reverse sneezing in dogs. What is reverse sneezing in dogs? Reverse sneezing is a condition where a dog makes rapid, repeated inhaling sounds that can resemble snorting or honking. It happens when the soft palate and throat muscles spasm, often due to irritation or excitement. What causes reverse sneezing in dogs? Common causes include allergens, like pollen or dust, foreign particles in the nasal passages, excitement, pulling on a leash, or even rapid changes in temperature. Is reverse sneezing harmful to dogs? No. Reverse sneezing is usually harmless and self-limiting. However, frequent or prolonged episodes might indicate an underlying issue, such as allergies, nasal mites, or an infection. How can I help my dog during a reverse sneezing episode? You can gently massage your dog's throat or briefly cover their nostrils to encourage swallowing, which can help stop the episode. Calm reassurance also helps your dog feel less anxious. When should I consult a vet about reverse sneezing? If your dog experiences frequent episodes, has difficulty breathing, or shows other symptoms like nasal discharge, lethargy, or coughing, it's important to consult a veterinarian to rule out more serious conditions.